Alright guys, welcome back to a new video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a GUI audio player in Java. So GUI stands for Graphical User Interface, and this video is going to be split into two different parts. So first, I'm going to show you guys a demo of this application, and then next, I'm actually going to show you all the code and how it actually works. So all this code is actually in the description down below on my GitHub. So make sure to download that, copy and paste it, and so you can actually follow along with the tutorial. Okay, so this is going to be a great video, so jump right into it. Alright guys, so basically if we actually double click on our jar file here, you can see we open up the audio player. So it's just a really simple UI, but we just have four buttons here. So we can just play, we can stop, and we can restart, and then we also can quit once we're done. So actually, we have to choose the song that we want to play with this audio player. And I just pulled up a song online, a free song, and basically we can actually play this now. So if we hit play, you can see it starts to play this song, and then when we hit stop, it's going to stop. But it also stops at the point where the song is. So now if we play from that point, it just continues from there. If we want to restart, just hit this restart button, and you can see it restarts. So you can kind of see that, and then we can stop, and then finally when we're done, we can just hit quit, and then close the application. All right, so that's what we're going to be building today. Let's actually jump right into our. Okay, so pretty much we have two main classes that we are using in our GUI audio player. So we have our audio.java and we have our main GUI.java. Okay, so our audio.java is actually just getting our audio, and it has the different methods to do stuff with the audio, like we have our play, stop, reset, and quit. And then our main GUI is just the GUI, and then it also does these functionalities from our audio.java as you press the button. Okay, so I'm not really going to go in depth on the actual, like, how to actually create the GUI, or like in depth on the syntax with these packages. I'm going to kind of give an overview on what everything does, but look forward to different tutorials on how to do these on my YouTube channel. So I'll be creating things like that. But today I'm not really going to go in depth on the type of syntax. That will be saved for another video, okay? So in our audio.java, as I said, we have our methods to get our audio and do stuff with it. So we just have our get audio, play, stop, reset, and quit methods, right? So our first one is get audio. So how this is actually going to work is, first we're going to initialize a variable, and we're just going to get this audio. So that's kind of like the main function, okay? Then with this get audio variable, then we can actually do these different functions like play, stop, reset, and quit. And I'll show you how we actually do that. So first we're actually getting the file of our audio, and here we have this folder called audio files, and you can see I have my song.wave. Make sure that the file that you want to play is a WAV format, because or else it's not going to work. I'll actually show you the error that's going to pop up if we do. And then we're actually just getting our clip in these two lines of code. And then finally, we're opening it. So now that it's open, we can actually do these different things to it, okay? So basically, then we're just returning the clip, okay? So now we can do these different things like clip.start, which is actually going to play, clip.stop, which is going to stop, clip.set microsecond position, which is just going to set it to the millisecond 0, which is just going to reset it. And then quit is just going to close the clip. Okay, so it's open here, and then we're just going to close it. So now you can see when we hit close or quit, it's actually not going to be able to play it again. Okay, so that's why I have to keep it open here. Or we could just do it in all these methods, but it's just more efficient to just open it here. Okay, so that's pretty much the audio class for you. Now if we go to our main GUI.java. Okay, so basically here we are just initializing we're actually getting our new clip. So first we're just initializing this class, this method, and then we're actually just getting our clip, okay? So then here we're just creating our screen. So we have this method down here. I just try to keep it as clean and simple as possible, called screen. And this is just going to create a screen with the title Pranav's audio player, the size of 500 by 500, which is 500 x 500 y. And then we're just setting the visible to true, so it's visible. And then finally, we're just setting the background color to black. Okay, so that's how we create our screen. And then we're just setting resizable to false because for some reason with this, when you resize it, it actually like changes the whole GUI. So we don't want that. So I'm just going to set it to false. And then we just create this label. You remember the label, which was Pranav's audio player. And you can change like the GUI however you like. Then here we just have our play, stop, reset, and quit buttons. So you can see when you click on this play, it's actually going to play this audio here. And then stop, reset, and quit. So on. So you can see we actually do it like that. And then so a lot of really bringing everything together is just in this GUI because we have to play everything. I guess this audioplayer.java is just to bring everything together. So now we can just run this GUI, and that's pretty much the program. So it's really simple. I just gave you a nice overview, but it's pretty straightforward. And as I said, I'm going to make a tutorial on a GUI in Java and talking about our audio javax.sound.sampled. I'll also make a video on that maybe, but basically, yeah, that's just the GUI audio player for you. So now if we actually run our audioplayer.java, so if we run this, now it's going to open it up. So basically, we just have to wait and open it up here. So now let's actually run this again. As I said with the GUI, it's kind of it's kind of a bit slow and glitchy just on my computer here, but it should work fine for you. And now let's see it's loading everything up. Alright, now you can see we can play. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please consider hitting that thumbs up button and subscribing to the channel. Once again, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much, and until next time,